guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. EOS was trading at 1 by 20 on the investing.com index on Friday, up 10% on the day. It was the largest one-day percentage gain since August 22. The move upwards pushed US market cap up to 1 or 15% of the total cryptocurrency market cap. At its highest, US market cap was 17. EOS had traded in a range of 14 to 15 in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, EOS has seen a drop in value as it lost 14% the volume of EOS traded in the 24 hours to time of writing was 45 or 70% of the total volume of all cryptocurrencies. It has traded in a range of 13 to 15 in the past 7 days. At its current price, EOS is still down 93% from its all-time high of 22 cent one on April. Bitcoin was less at 20 on the investing.com index, up 32% on the day. Ethereum was trading at 15 on the investing.com index, a gain of 18%. Bitcoin's market cap was less at 38 or 39 of the total cryptocurrency market cap, while Ethereum's market cap totaled 19 or 19 of the total cryptocurrency market follow. From a bearish perspective, there's a higher probability that the crypto market entered a cascading channel on August 15 after it failed to break above the 20 trillion total market capitalization resistance, even if the pattern isn't yet clearly distinguishable. The last couple of weeks have not been positive. Total crypto market cap USD billion search trading view. For example, the 94 billion total market cap seen on August 29 was the lowest in 43 days. The worsening conditions have been accompanied by a steep correction in traditional markets, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite Index has declined by 12% since August 15, and even with the oil price plummeted 11% from August 29 to September 1. Crypto Fear and Green Index search alternative weekly winners and losers among the top HD coin search node seems that Tether peer-to-peer versus USD search cumulated perpetual futures funding rate on September 1. With Ethereum's highly anticipated merge event drawing closer, several players in the crypto space have started taking seats. While some have pledged their support for a proof-of-work-based Ethereum network, others like OpenSea have stepped forward to say they will not support forked NFTs. The leading NFT marketplace confirmed its support for Ethereum's upcoming proof of stake, upgrading in a Wednesday tweet. As a result, any NFTs distributed on a possible Ethereum POW fork after merge will not be supported by OpenSea. OpenSea also noted that although it expects a smooth transition to proof of stake Ethereum, it was preparing for any issue that may arise with the upcoming upgrade. Apart from OpenSea, others like Chainlink have also voiced their commitment to the post-transition in Chainlink's case, the team said that its protocol will not be supporting any Ethereum forks post-merge. Surprisingly, the native asset for the so-called Ethereum Power chain is already trading at 100 on some exchange, despite not being in existence yet. Some trading platforms have started to list ATHY and ATH Plus in anticipation of a hard fork backed by Ethereum's POW miners. The merge will reportedly lower Ethereum's energy consumption by over 90% while paving the way for other scaling solutions, like charging further down the line. The transition will allow ATH holders to secure the network by staking their coins for profit and eliminated the need for miners. However, several Chinese Ethereum miners have been trying to orchestrate a fork to retain the POW network past September. Okay guys, maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.